In my recent career coaching session, especially with the HR students, a lot of people were inquiring, ma'am, how can we find the relevant HR job of our choice in the industry? And I thought of informing them about the top 5 hashtag, which any HR fresher or any HR professional can definitely use on LinkedIn to find the best job suited for their all requirements. So in this video, I'm going to tell you what is the importance of the hashtag, why it should used, and I'm going to share the top 5 hashtags for HR freshers and 5 hashtags for HR professionals. Hi, I'm Sunita Tang, your master career coach and founder, leader in making. Welcome to our channel, a channel which is made for career coaching, career counseling, and corporate skills with which you can find the job of your choice. So today we need to understand that why hashtags are so important. Hashtag saves your time tremendously in top 3 things. One, it helps you to reach out to your relevant job across LinkedIn platform. Otherwise, you'll keep on searching the complete LinkedIn to find the relevant job of your choice. And you all know that LinkedIn today is one of the most popular, one of the most professional platform for job search. Point number 2, you will be able to contact the relevant people who are recruiting or hiring for their company. The best way is you can connect with them, you can follow them, you can follow their page, you can follow their company page. And if needed, it is always useful that once you like a job on their page or anything posted by them, you engage them over the discussion over messages if they allow to do so. These kind of hashtag search really helps you to connect with the people from the relevant industry and the relevant function. And point number 3, the most important way, because hashtag is the best way of organic search for the relevant job. You will land up to the only those pages, only those jobs in which you are actually interested. If you feel that certain job is not of your level, it is level low or it is level up, but certainly it gives you an organic search way to connect with people in the same talent pool, in the same topic of interest, and in the same area wherein you want to build up your own network, your own industry. So here are the top 5 hashtags for people who are landing up first time in the HR jobs. Now, these are the tags which are specially meant for people, especially for 0 to 1 years of experience. You are a fresher, you have 3 months of experience, you have 6 months of experience, or you are about to reach 1 year of experience in the industry. Generally, 0 to 1 year is the eligibility criteria for all HR freshers. So I have noted down out of 1,000 pools of hashtag, which 5 hashtag will land you to the relevant job of your choice. So please note it down with a pen and paper. And I have noted down for, especially for my viewers out there, the most important way to find out the HR related job is hash HR. And post that, you can add on to the word HR, whatever you are looking forward to. So the first hashtag is hash HR job. The second one is hash HR careers. The third one is hash HR hiring. The fourth one is hash HR recruitment. The fifth one is hash HR management. You will also see that the recruitment word is being replaced by recruiting at lot many places. So you can even try hash HR recruiting. Now, once you have little experience of say 3 years, 5 years, 7 years, or 8 years, you decide that in which specialization you want to go, whether you want to go into training, you want to go into learning, you want to go into talent management, you want to go into development, you want to go into leadership, you want to go into compliance. Accordingly, these top 5 hashtags are included for professionals who have gained some experience over the years in the field of HR. So now you can note down those hashtags which are meant for people with at least 3 to 5 years of HR experience. And here are your 5 hashtags for professionals in HR. Hashtag HR leadership, hashtag HR development, hashtag HR compliance, hashtag HR technology, and last but not the least, hash HR consulting. I shall be including all these 10 hashtags, the 5 for freshers and 5 for professionals, in the description box below. Now, the best part is that if you want to move into any higher ladder of HR job, you start preparing into that function from day one. But yes, you have to primarily start from a HR generic function, HR normal routine function, so that you can choose the specialization or the function or the role of your choice in the HR industry in time to come. I hope these hashtags must be very useful to you when you will look up to these hashtags and you will search your jobs accordingly on LinkedIn. If you need any specific guidance, you can mention your question in the description box below. I shall try to cover another video on that query as well. Best of luck. See you soon. Happy learning.